What's up, guys? Miss me? Today we are diving into fun and flirty damn intimate cocktails. We are mixing up a bunch of sexy drinks that will definitely spice up your next party. So get ready for the ultimate lineup of seductive sips. Let's start with the ace of our sexy cocktail pack, the blow job. Some of you who know me have probably already tried, but for those who haven't, this cocktail is a fun way to impress your friends and add a bit of chickiness to the night. Our ingredients: Amaretto liqueur, Irish cream, whipped cream, and ice. How to make: combine 3/4 of Amaretto liqueur and the same portion of Irish cream in shaker. Add ice into shaker and strain it into a high shot glass. And remember, the shape is a key of this one. Generous layer of whipped cream, and voila! Now the real fun is in how you drink it. Hands-free, folks! Hope you enjoy the previous one. Next up, let's get a bit more adventurous with the slippery nipple. I know the name says it all, right? For the cocktail, you only need Sambuca, Irish cream, and grenadine syrup. Let's make it. Start by pouring 3/4 of Sambuca into a shot glass. Using a cocktail spoon, layer the same amount of Irish cream on top. Finally, grab a straw and carefully drip a drop of grenadine right into the center. And there you have it, a tiny titty in a glass. Enjoy! Our next cocktail doesn't need to be introduced. The famous sex on the beach was invented in Florida in the 1980s by bartender Ted Pizzo. This drink's sole purpose was to sell beach schnapps. And they even have taken two most attractive words for tourists: sex and beach. Disappointing, eh? But hey, it worked. Well, to make this cocktail, you need vodka, peach liqueur, cranberry, and pineapple juice, pineapple slice, red maraschino cherry, and ice. So fill the sling glass on the top with the ice cubes. Pour 2 ounces of vodka in a shaker. Add 1 ounce of peach liqueur, then 1.5 ounce of cranberry juice, and the same volume of pineapple juice. Fill the shaker with the ice cubes and now strain our mixture into a sling glass. Garnish with the piece of pineapple and a maraschino cherry on a cocktail screw. And we finally made the sex on the beach. By the way, I wondered, have you ever tried? The process. I guess it's supposed to be too much sand, literally everywhere. Tell me your opinion in the comments below. And it's time to talk about the world's oldest profession, right? Yeah, courtesan. Personally, I think it should be legal everywhere, don't you? Anyway, let's make the delightfully tasty cocktail. For courtesan cocktail, we have to prepare vodka, Amaretto liqueur, simple syrup, lemon juice, egg white, strawberries, mint, granulate canned sugar, and ice. First of all, rim the sniffer glass with the granulate canned sugar, like that. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Place 6 strawberries into a shaker. Muddle it. Then we need egg white. You can use quail eggs or an ordinary chicken one. The proportion is 5:1. The easiest option to take white is utilizing this device. So we're taking the egg white. So we need only 3/4 and pull it into a shaker. Add half ounce of simple syrup, the same of lemon juice. Also pour the 3/4 of Amaretto liqueur. And 1 vodka ounce. Fill the shaker with ice cubes. And it's time to strain into the glass. It will be a long process because of strawberry. Decorate with this strawberry and a mint leaf, like an arrowhead. Well, I'd said that personally, I love this one. The taste is perfect, containing the unique almond and strawberry combination. And finally, let's not forget to turn up the heat with some innocent sex, whatever that means. The cocktail brings the fire. Speaking about ingredients, you only need Sambuca, orange liqueur, and Irish cream. How to make? It's pretty simple. Pour 3/4 of Sambuca into a shot glass. Afterwards, using a bar spoon, layer the same 3/4 of orange liqueur. But unfortunately, my bottle neck is too small and I will take a jigger for that. Okay, we have 2 different transparent layers, and now, utilizing a drinking straw, carefully pour a small amount of Irish cream. Tremendous, huh? And for the grand final, light it up and drink it fast through the straw. Alright, here is our amazing set. Let me know in the comments which sexy cocktails you know or want me to make. I'm always up for a challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. And you see you next time.